So, this week I was researching about torque. Yes, what was the most force I could put on this boat to hold my saddle? And I realized that we never talked about the Pentaclip. Yes, this little thing here, it's so cool because it connects the seat post to your saddle. But there's 4 ways that you can adjust it. And sometimes, not my case, but if you're taller, you can get 20 inches higher. You can put your saddle 20 inches higher if you adjust in a different way. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you the 4 ways to use your Pentaclip. I know, a simple one, but I think that for some people will be very useful. And I'm gonna share with you one thing that I was always curious, because I look at it and say, what is this for, you know? What is there? Why is there? Let me show you. Do you ever notice the 2 O-rings that has here? Yeah, it's right underneath the Pentaclip. Do you know what is this for? Let me show you. So cool. The seat post and here is narrow, right? So the Pentaclip goes right on top. It has to be at least 2 centimeters from the top. Okay, just lightly touching the O-rings. And do you know what they're for? The reason for them? Look at it. So simple. I like smart things. They are here just so the Pentaclip won't damage your frame. And the seat post, when the saddle is out, won't go all the way down. So that's the reason for the O-ring. Okay, let me show you the Pentaclip. My saddle is all adjusted for me. What I do before you're gonna take it out, I'll mark. This way, when I put it back, it will be at the same place. To save me a lot of time. So this way is so easy to put it back in the right place. Well, my Pentaclip I'm using with the round part towards the front and on the top. What we're gonna show you is how to use on the bottom and how to use the other side. Okay, the first way is like this. Rail on the top and the round part towards the front. That's the basics. This way you have 20 centimeters higher than if you put it on the lower part. Let me show you how to put it on the lower part. Let's take it out. Oh, the Pentaclip is so interesting because it's made of so many little parts. Let me show you. Let's take it in a way that I do remember later. What I usually do when I take it apart, I put it, you know, like in sequence, you know, so I know where I'm supposed to put it back. Check it out. All of this, it's our Pentaclip. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There is 16 parts. So let's clean them all. Brompton menu says that you're not supposed to have grease on them, but you're supposed to have grease in here. They have have names for each one of them. There's a video in Brompton Bikes. She's very nice. I love their videos. And they have all the names for all these little pieces. But I confess, I don't remember them. So many pieces. Oh, this one's a titanium bolt. I changed it because my original one was already rusty. When you live by the beach, actually, it would be better if everything was titanium. Yeah. Well, let's put it back together. This is the way that I'm using, okay? The seat post towards the front and the rail on top. This is where the back end is from the back. See? So the rail goes right on it. Okay, let me tighten up just a bit. And here the mark, see? So this is how I was using it. So over here, it makes a distance to your handlebar, right? But sometimes you need to put it closer or farther away. So what you do, it's put it to the other side. Let's do it. Towards the back, stays away, and turn it around. Okay. Now, this way you can put your saddle towards the front. If you do need it, if you're smaller and your handlebar is too far away from you. But now I'm gonna show you how lower it gets when you put it here on the other side. Let's take it out. Ah, looks funny. That's the other way you can use it. We are using the lower instead of the top part, and there's a difference of 20 centimeters. So if you're originally like this and you do need more height, put it on top. And if you're originally like this, like the round part towards the front, but you need to get closer to the handlebar, you put the round part towards the back and you're gonna get more space. So let's put our saddle back. In this case, I'm gonna put the torque, yes, I love it, at 15. In my case, it's very easy because since I have the right place that it should be, see? Because before we do fix it, we need to level. Yeah, I know, it's very important. Just get a level app or a true level. Put your bike straight and start moving. Okay. Ta-da! Now just tighten up. What's a torque wrench? That means that when it gets to the right, see, it goes like this. It doesn't go stronger than it should be. I like it. Yeah, I always check it. Let's round it up. If you're a regular size and you don't need to, you're not feeling that you're too far away from the handlebar, just leave it on front and on top. The rail on top and the round part on front. If you feel that the handlebars are too far away, switch it, move to the back and put the round part towards the back. This way you can put your saddle a little bit towards the front without being dangerous. And I would always use on top because it's easier to fix it, you know, to tighten up. Remember, the O-rings should be here, and enjoy your ride. Hope you did like it. I know that today we had an indoor video because we have like 4 days in a row, rainy days. So this is the video for today. I hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, if you want that YouTube tell you that the videos are out, especially the quick tips, because they come out whenever they come. The long videos are on Saturday. Yes! Sign up. Be part of it. I hope you did like it. I was very interesting about it. I never took this apart. That was the first time. I didn't know they had so many little parts. If you want to see the video with all the names on it, yeah, it's a Brilliant Bikes video. It's a very good one. She said all the names on it. That's so hard.